Tradewell by pixieworld. I'm Raghavendra and wish you all happy Diwali in advance. And I just saw it was an amazing match, and India won the match again once again. Thank you to Virat Kohli. Cool then. As mentioned earlier, this time I'm coming with a video where you will understand a lot of things. Where how can you cut your losses in trading, or how you can trade when there is no loss. This is a special video prepared only for you guys, where I know that this video will help everyone from the beginners to advanced traders in the market. Cool. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel, and please try to share with your friends and family, whoever is interested in trading, or whoever is want to learn about trading. And in description I am putting my link of free telegram group which I started some time ago. You can join there and understand and see how particular trades works, and how particular strike prices what we choose, and what all the stocks on a swing trade or investment purpose also we choose. Cool. So as mentioned, how to trade profitably in stock market. So how to avoid losses in trading. So that is a important subject in today's video. Cool. Let's start the video. I am showing purposefully zero the chart today, because most of the people don't understand how to see zero the chart, and most of the people think only they can trade by trading view chart or some other charts. But yeah, any broker you choose, anywhere you trade, you can select any chart. End of the day, it is all about how you trade. It is not about which broker, which chart, what type of designs, day mode, night mode. That doesn't work. It only works what is your mindset, what is your knowledge, how, which, and when to use particular strategy, and how to believe in that strategy, and how to have a faith in that strategy. Cool. Now we are looking at Nifty Banker chart. So what exactly we are looking at one day view is the bullish candle here, which is uh, highest bias was standing, and market went up and came down and closed at this particular level. Now what we need to do, the simple step, starting directly from technical analysis, it closed at 40,784. What we do, we will draw two lines. One is above this exactly at the top, and one is at bottom. Now this is our range for the day, or for the next coming trading session. Cool. Once this is done, once your range is done, now what you need to do, you need to add one indicator called pivot standard. Second, three more indicators called moving average. So which are moving average you need to select? Moving average 50, 21, and 06. So moving average will tell you what is the moving average from so many days in a previous sessions. Like MA50, moving average 50 will tell you from 50 days what is the moving average of particular index, or particular stock, or particular script. Moving average 21 will tell about 21 days, last 21 days. Moving average 6 will tell you last 6 sessions how this particular trend is going, or how this particular price is moving. Cool. Once you did this, go directly to 5-minute chart. Now in 5-minute chart, you might see something like this. So this is the two lines what we created in 5 minutes chart. Simple strategy, there is no rocket science. This is just a data wise study and easy to use. I am 100% sure, as mentioned in my video description, if you follow this strategy, I am 100% sure that you can make money in stock market without any loss. Cool. Once you have done this, now what is next? Next is There is a free website called tradingtick.com. So this is a free website. In this website you will get a lot of data. What is example, in future you will get all the long and short price versus OI. In options you will get OI analysis, trending OI, what is implied volatility, and what is a call versus put, what is a CPR basically, what is a multi-strike OI, what is the interval wise premium, when is a premium decay happening, on what premium decay is happening, what is the long and short, again OI snapshot. And if you go to strategy sorry, you can build your own strategy like straddle, strangle, multi-strike, straddle, snapshot, and you can do a intraday back test also. Once in this, what you need to do, you have to open top trending OI sticks. This is basically trending OI. So once you click this particular screen will open. Now forget about chart, let's concentrate on this. Now I'll select Bank Nifty here. Once I select Bank Nifty, this is free version, so you have to refresh this personally because only in a paid version it will refresh automatically. So now I selected Bank Nifty, and what I can see, the trending strikes is 40,500 PE, 40,000 PE, 41,000 CE, 39,500 PE, and 4,700 PE. What we need to see, what is the highest open interest is allocated in this particular zone. So right now if you are observing 33 lakhs 14,550 OI is added in 40,500 PE. What is this 40,500 PE? It is a put writers are sitting at this particular strike price high. When at this moment it was written here, market went up 10 o'clock, 10:15, 10:40, 10:55, 11, 11, 12. If you observe, at 1 o'clock market started dropping down. That is called profit booking, because 40,500 PE people were running from that particular strike, and where strike is increased, nowhere strike is increased, but end of the day 40,500 put writers exited some of their position. That is why profit booking came and market came down. This is exactly Bank Nifty how behaved on Friday, which is last trading session. Once you select OI analysis or option open interest data, when you click open interest data, you will understand how to analyze this. Now you select Bank Nifty, give refresh because you need to do a refresh. It is a free version. Once you got about the top trending OI strike, now you know 40,500 PE is the highest, and open interest, let's see open interest what it's saying. If you observe here, 40,500 exactly highest put writers are still sitting. It means Monday on Muhurt trading, if you observe, this particular strike will fly and Bank Nifty will have amazing biggest movement if there is no gap up. If there is a big gap up, this is already done, particular strike is already written, and if there is a gap up, these guys will get amazing money, and after that market might become a range bound, because next support or resistance is only at 40,000, which is basically 40 to 40,500, basically 500 point movement what market will give. To upper side, but lower side, what we can see is 40,000 C, 41,000 C. There is a huge call writers are sitting. It means market will not go above 41,000 CE unless these call writers are running from this particular strike. Now we got the strike price, which is 40,500 as a strike price. Now P versus C, if you see, put writers are heavily written their calls and puts, sorry. So if you observe 41,000, we can see highest open interest are build up. Now what you need to do, let's go back to the chart. 40,500 CE is your number what we got currently for the next day movement. So we know 40,500. Okay, we did a marking here, and what we are going to observe now. Now here is the highest open interest, market is at closed at around this particular zone. So you know the range is this. Now what you do, you will again create one more small range for your information at the closing point. Okay, once closing point industry is done, now what is happening here? So you know the range 40,800 to 41,500. Now let's select the strike price. If we know already that market is going up, it means what? You need to buy a CE. What we will do, we will go in the money, we will start checking what is the premium of 41,000 CE. What is the date? Date is 23rd October. So we will go for a monthly expiry only. We will take 41,000, which is 257 rupees as a premium. So let's talk about one strike. Let's talk about another strike, which is 41,200 CE. Okay, two strikes, 41,300 CE. We got three strike price here. So which is 257 rupees, 179 rupees and 140 rupees. Now actual game starts. When I observe this data, right now there is no data. When you click this in the market hours, you can see huge buyers, less sellers. 50,000 here, 10,000 here. So what you need to do? You need to buy this strike. Let me open this chart of index 41,000 CE chart. Now what is happening here? Now I am not seeing any signals here. What you added here? Pivot, standard and moving averages. What we are seeing, or it is above all the moving average and it will give you the pivot to pivot trading. Now when you observe this, there will be lines like this, which is basically we call it as a pivot line. So it is a center pivot. It is all above pivot 1, pivot 2, pivot 3, which is resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3. Below support 1, support 2 and support 3. If you observe any day, market will stabilize on this particular zones only. If you observe Friday's market, market opened above the black line, sustained here, consolidated here and gave an amazing upside move directly to the second pivot. After that there was no support or resistance, but exactly what happened, where market got reversed at yesterday's, I mean before that day's trading session at 350 rupees strike price, it came down. If you observe Bank Nifty chart also, the same thing what I can show you. It is a live data basically. You can see the time, which is 6:27:03 p.m. So exactly see market open above all the support and there was a resistance. Above this it opened. We would have bought CE, directly went up, touched this point. This is your profit booking place. It consolidated here for 10 to 15 minutes. More than that, sorry, this is a 5-minute chart. So around 30 minutes is consolidated. From here directly upside, it had a struggle at yesterday's pivot range. After that again it started moving up Bank Nifty and there was no further resistance or support. Market exactly reversed from the place as per the OI data and came down again, holded this particular resistance. From there it again gave a upside movement. Same thing. Now this is a strike 1, which is 41,000 CE. So once market is open, what you will get, let me check if there is a brush option in this, because I wanted to show you guys that it is not only about trading view or any other chart will give you exact details. End of the day, this is how you trade. Okay, let me try this doodle thing. Okay. Once market is open, you will get this first line, you might get this second line and you might get this third line in this particular strike price, which is 41,000 CE, and you might get a black line and support 1 and support 2. So if market is open here, example, okay, if market is opening here, what you need to do, you will see 3 candle of ORB strategy, which I have given in my old video. You can visit that old video. Now it is 257 rupees. We buy here. Once it is sustaining above, we buy here, breakout. We will book our profit at 450. I'm just giving you example here. So this is the same thing again on Monday evening after Muhurtam trading, which is tomorrow. I'll bring one more video to conclude this what we taught today. So subscribe the channel, click bell icon so you will get a notification. So once here we book our profit, we will again revisit the market. If it is sustaining here, see exactly at this particular zone there is a small resistance which is day before yesterday's trading point. Once this particular zone is done, then again it might go up. Here what happens, so this is how you need to trade when there is no conviction on trading. Go with a setup. Okay, let's see some other strike which is little far, which is 41,200 C. Which is currently around at 179 rupees. Same scenario here. It opened on Friday at around 83 rupees and directly went to 275. It was superb jackpot call that day. So same strike price. If you follow this particular strategy, this is called no loss strategy. Use a single strategy on pivot trading along with data. One is open interest data, second is CPR data, which is call put ratio, CPR. How much is a call, how much is a put, and what is a calculation. And if you see top trending strikes, I am 100% sure that in this method you will never make any losses in stock market. If you observe any day, every strike price looks exactly the same. It went up, touched here, came down, came down, came down. It is almost, if you're buying PE at this place, it is amazing profit. Even PEC, this works same. Even for the stocks, it works same. So this is my first video on understanding how to not make loss on your trading session. So if you like this video, please share with everyone, and I am 100% sure overnight you can't be success in this practice. You have to do lot of practice, understand, do practice with one lot, because I don't believe in paper trading, because paper trading doesn't have emotions. So when there is loss, it's okay, you can hold it for next 2 to 3 days. About the stop loss, so that is most important part which I will tell now. Once you bought at this particular zone, once at buying price, at buying time and a buying price, example you bought at this for 83 rupees. So what is your stop loss? Your stop loss is below this line, which is 55 rupees. So which is hardly around 20 to 30 rupees is your stop loss. Once this gave a breakout, what is your stop loss? Your stop loss is cost price, which is 83 rupees. Once 111 rupees is crossed and it touched 138, what is your stop loss? 111 rupees. Once it is reached 175 rupees, which is the last support or resistance for the day, your stop loss should be 138 rupees. If you want to book quick profits, book at this place. If you want to keep trailing profits, this is how you need to trail. Now, most of the people trail with the moving average, which is called crossover moving average. That is why I wanted to ask you to click this moving average and add this in your indicator. Now, moving average 21 should be always your stop loss. Below that you can keep your stop loss. While buying only, you can keep your stop loss at around 75 rupees and keep changing your stop loss as per the moving average. So at around this place you might have booked the profit at around 225 rupees, so which is around a very good profits for you. So that's all about this video, guys, and thanks for choosing YouTube channel, and thanks for subscription, and I'm sure that you will give at least minimum 250 to 300 likes for this video. Thank you so much, guys. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.